Using business analysis tools for an edge. Business analysis tools for strategic decision making. One of the key benefits of business analysis tools is their ability to provide valuable data analysis. By utilizing tools such as performance metrics, business intelligence, and key performance indicators, KPIs, businesses can measure their success, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. SWOT analysis for identifying strengths and weaknesses. A popular tool used in business analysis is the SWOT analysis, which helps businesses identify their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. By conducting a SWOT analysis, businesses can gain valuable insights into their internal and external environment, allowing them to capitalize on their strengths and opportunities while addressing their weaknesses and threats. Trend analysis and predictive analytics for future success. Business analysis tools such as trend analysis and predictive analytics help businesses forecast future trends, identify potential opportunities, and mitigate risks. Process optimization and efficiency with technology tools. Another key aspect of business analysis tools is process optimization and efficiency. By using technology tools to analyze and streamline business processes, organizations can identify bottlenecks, eliminate inefficiencies, and improve overall performance. Tool implementation best practices for business success. This includes clearly defining goals and objectives, selecting the right tools for the job, training staff on tool usage, and regularly evaluating tool performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, utilizing business analysis tools is essential for gaining a competitive edge in today's fast-paced business environment.